Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and basically you can change the language wherever you are. So you can open it, for example, in the browser, notes, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, like here. And all we have to do right now is to tap on this settings icon at the top. As you can see, here we've got the languages, and we've got a lot of languages added here. So let me firstly add another layout, and then I'll show you how to remove them. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically we've got a lot of options to choose from, and all you have to do is to tap on the one you want to set. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, here we've got some keyboard layouts from which we can choose. We've got a lot of options in this language because it depends on the language. And if you want to set particular keyboard, simply mark it and, for example, untick this option, and for some reason, all right, or untick the option you don't want to apply. Let's tap on Done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. So let's go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we will have two differences which will be visible. So first of all, the space bar, you will have the name of the language you've got right now shown, and here the language key, which will allow you to change the language. So as you can see, after tapping on it, I can change the keyboards. So now I've just shown you how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, so you will be able to leave only one language applied. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Let me remove basically all of them and leave English, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left. And after getting back to the keyboard, we do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the keyboards and we've got only one of them applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.